Please subscribe to our very own ISHM YouTube channel and do not forget to push on the bell icon for latest updates and new videos.
Welcome to International School of Hospitality Management, Kolkata, where we truly believe in our motto. The world is your classroom. In its never-ending quest of maintaining international standards of education, ISHM sends students to its partner university in Thailand. ISHM, in association with Vitel, Silpakorn University in Thailand, has been engaging in a student exchange program for the past few years. Every year we send deserving candidates abroad for a cross-cultural learning extravaganza, where they engage themselves in a variety of activities which include management, trade and social and cultural activities. Here are a few glimpses of the tours. Did you not notice them having loads of fun and learning at the same time? Let us now listen from them as what they have to say.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Mandal and last year I was selected by our college, Ishm Kolkata, to be a part of cross-culture program to Bangkok. I along with my friends went to Vitel Bangkok. It was a great learning experience and had lots of fun. I was fortunate to have a chance to go abroad and have a unique learning experience. Thank you so much, Ishm Kolkata.
Hi there, this is Olivia. I couldn't contain my happiness when I came to know that I was a part of a group of students selected for an international exposure in Silpakorn University in Thailand. I have always loved to travel, and when ISHM gave me this opportunity, I was overjoyed. Not only did we learn a lot, but got the chance to explore the entire city and was engaged in a lot of cross-cultural training. Thank you ISHM, proud to be an ISHM.
In the coming years, International School of Hospitality Management, Kolkata, has plans of expanding its reach to other countries like UAE, Maldives, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia and many more.
Please subscribe to our YouTube page for more exciting information and also visit us on our Facebook page for more updates. You can also visit our website at www.ishm.co.in. Come to ISHM. Give wings to your dreams.